She was 5'5" with a body so fiery. Caught my eyes on and shot it one by me. Can't deny, looking like a future wife. She smell like shea butter and breeze from the islands. Pretty hair, baby hair combo, she chose violence. Just my type, tryna be on demon time. No one can let it slide like that. Way that you taking that to rewind that back. Had no idea that you can whine like that. Say she from Trinity, but she would fly right back if I say the fact. She don't want nobody but my body on that. Pull up a backwood and blow that back out. Said if I clap that ass clap back, and now I concur. If I end up falling in love, I'm losing out on all the other women that are in my other avenues. But being as bad as you need for a lifetime. And I know you know I mean that shit. Don't play shy. It's overdue, it's loud time. Say that you're 10 toes down for me. Say that you're 10 toes down for me. Say that you're 10 toes down for me. Let them all know. Say that you're 10 toes. Little baby, I know you can get behind it. Why would I fumble you for bitches that can't fuck with you in the slightest? When you make them do it with your climate, put it down so you can be reminded you're mine and only mine. When I see you, I get excited. Shimmy every time I get excited. And when niggas step to you, you let them know that you might be just how proud the way I like it. Oh, say that you with it, say that you with it, say that I'm in it. Telling you to fuck with the feelings for a minute. I'm flying to your coast, I'm doing the most. You say I don't brag, I say that I post. You stay getting mad about shit that don't matter, but keep me on my toes, cause you stay getting madder. You think getting close, cause that ass getting fatter. That shit really getting fatter. And if I'm in love, I'm losing out on all the women that I'm in my other avenues, but being as bad as you need for a lifetime. And I know you know I need that shit. Don't play shy. Yeah, you're so it's loud time. Say that you're 10 toes down for me. Say that you're 10 toes down for me. Say that you're 10 toes down for me. Let them all know. Say that you're 10 toes. Once again, my name is Roe Xander. I'm gonna tap in with all y'all down there if y'all want to. Appreciate y'all.
So, not being biased, but this is why we do this. That way, you don't know, like, is this song good? Is it great? Let me play it in front of random people, and the whole room woke up. So, most likely, this might be the one you need to put out or do a test on. This is why we do this, y'all. Also, a couple other people, one dude, I forgot his name, can't remember, I'm just gonna press play. Push play and shook the fucking room. These are the type of songs and energy you have to do when you put out singles. So man, show them some love. Also, really quick talk, I'm gonna talk too much. So I would tell you I do have to do my job. So my name's TySanders, I'm the A&R and studio manager here. It's owned by K-Camp and DJ Genius. I'm going to the Grammys next week. It'll be my 10th time, and I say this humbly. But the only reason I'm saying it is because number one, if I can make it, I can get to this point, you guys too. This shit is real, it's believable. Look at all the plaques on the wall. Y'all have the same opportunity to do the same thing. My goal is when I go to the Grammys is to bring a couple of executives back from Atlantic, whatever, and invite them to events like this so we can get y'all placed, get y'all signed, get y'all stuff in rotation, get y'all stuff marketed. This is why we do this. Also, if you guys want to do an event here or a listening party, whatever it is, I probably should say this out loud, but I'll do a special rate, $500 for 3 hours to do your release here. You can smoke in here, drink, you can sell tickets, whatever you want. That is, like, I'm telling you, so get my information, I'll give you my cell phone number. Yeah. And we'll do it through, what, the end of February? Through the end of February, so if y'all want to do an event here, $500, 3 hours. Where else can you do that you can smoke and drink and vibe out? Deal? And then we're going to have Trev DJ.
Hey, Trevor.
Bruh, sound.